Whoa, puppy's going crazy. Record puppy. You got it?
Yes. That's not a squirrel. That's a dog.
That's our dog right there, dude. She goes
It's
hyper.
black. It's not brown. It looks like a squirrel.
That's just our dog.
See this grass? It's really big, so it looks like a squirrel. She went fast.
What are you doing? Okay, ready? Record me. So, okay, record it.
Whoa. She's went crazy. This is our dog. She doesn't have a name, but we call her Puppy.
They already know that already. Alright, go then. Go run.
Go. She's tired right now. If you run, she chase you.
Before she does everything. But babes. As you can see, she goes crazy in the grass.
If you run, she like follow you. Puppy.
Okay, it's the ending of the vlog, Lily. Well, not the vlog. This is not a vlog. This is our just little short video.
Call it.
That's enough. Okay. But okay, Lily, what are you gonna say? It's the end of the video.
Bye. Thank you for watching this video.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. Bye.
Subscribe for our puppy.